If you love to snack, you're going to love these cinnamon candied cashews. The sweet sugary candy coating with the warm spice of cinnamon combined with salted cashews make it a sweet and salty snacker's delight. They're so addicting, you may need to portion them out because you'll be reaching for these babies by the handful. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Click the red subscribe button and then the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. In a large pot over medium-low heat with a candy thermometer, add 3/4 cup water, 1½ cups of sugar, I used vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Give an initial stir to help the sugar dissolve. Make sure that you have your cashews close by and ready to go as the sugar mixture heats up. As you get closer to 240 degrees or the soft ball stage, the mixture will begin to get foamy, which is your cue to watch it closely and continue stirring those last few degrees after removing the candy thermometer. When the mixture starts to leave a trail from the spoon, add your 4 cups of salted cashews and stir to coat all of the nuts. Pour them onto a lined cookie sheet and spread evenly so they don't clump together as they dry. Place it on a cooling rack so that there's even circulation as it hardens. I cover mine with a paper towel once the top is hardened enough for it not to stick, or you could use wax paper. The candy mixture should look dull and be totally cooled. Then you can begin breaking it into pieces and get ready to enjoy. Cinnamon candied cashews are a great sweet and salty snack, and they satisfy that craving that sometimes hits for an old school brittle attack without sticking to your teeth. They make perfect gifts, so place them in a cute little mason jar and make someone's day. But beware, once you dig in, you may find it hard to stop. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.